guys, welcome back to another episode of Remain Healthy. Today we are going to show you a video of my daughter Libby, who is 7, and she'll be making lemonade for you. So I'll preface this by saying a lot of people, when they find out I'm vegan, want to know if my kids are vegan. I have Ben, who's 10, and Libby, who's 7, and the answer is yes and a little bit of no. So at home I cook all plant-based and all vegan, and at home they're eating completely plant-based. But when they go out, it's a little tricky at parties or at school events and at their friend's house, as you know. So you can only do so much and do the best you can. I do my best to educate as much as I can, to tell them where their food's coming from, how it's made, and about the health benefits, the pros and cons, and try not to harp on them too much. One of the tips I do give if somebody asks for advice on this, although we can do a whole episode on it, which we probably will, Laura and I, get your kids in the kitchen and cooking with you. So typically if they cook it, they'll eat it. And the same goes with the garden, even growing it. If they get to pick it or be a part of growing it, it's more exciting for them and they're more apt to try it, especially if they're with their friends and trying different vegetables. That positive peer pressure is pretty awesome. So regardless of whether you're vegan or moving more towards plant-based or not even interested at all, I think getting your kids in the kitchen and helping them learn how to cook is a really good life skill. And not only that, but even eating dinner together as a family. It really is important. Even if you can pick one meal a week, it doesn't have to be dinner. It can be breakfast or lunch or just one meal a week. There's 7 times 3, 21 meals to pick from. So trying to decide which one is the best one you guys can all meet and sit down and talk. You get some of the best questions around that time. And yeah, that's it. So Libby took this under her wing, this video, and it is Crystal Light Lemonade, which I then looked at the ingredients just now actually and found that it has food dye in. The pink one has red food dye and the yellow has yellow food dye, so that's not great. So we'll probably be getting rid of that soon, but it's about the intention, and she really likes to cook, and that's really what it's about. So please subscribe if you like these videos. Hit the button down below, give us a like, throw some comments in there, and we will see you again soon.
Hello, my name is Libby and I'm gonna be making lemonade. So first step, you get like a pail of water. The only reason I'm getting a bowl is it looks more memorizing. So first you get your packet and then you pour it in. You mostly want to pour all of it in. Sometimes you can put it in before the water. We're vegan here. We're vegan. Yeah, we love it. My mom is standing right next to me checking my homework. Mom, could you say hello?
Hi there. What do you like about being vegan, Lib?
Well, I like to save animals.
Yes, it's good.
So back to the lemonade. When you're done pouring the lemonade, it might seem a little smelly and it might get in your nose, so you might want to mix it and then we'll make it better. Mom, hand me a spoon. You don't want to mix it too much or else it will get too thin. And now it's time to taste it. Are you ready? Good. Really good. I like the potential of sourness. I'll see you next time, and bye. You can see other videos of me later. It's very funny. See ya.